Introducing my second collab with Casetify. So in this collection, I actually have a lot of new designs that I feel like I would maybe be proud of. Cute. The Oreo teeth. Oh, bunnies. Whoops. Wow. This one's in an oatmeal, no, not oatmeal, but oat milk color. And then we have an AirTag case. This one's pretty. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, mirror case. I like her. Cute. It's like a ketchup. I like this one. This one's so cute. This one's in their compostable case. Lastly, ooh. By the time you see this video, it's probably out by now, so it'll be on the screen, but definitely would not be here without the help of anyone. So, very grateful that I'm able to do this. This is awesome. Anyways, if you're interested, I will have it linked down below, and happy shopping. Hello! Before we continue on with the rest of the video, I just wanted to give a thank you to Epidemic Sound for sponsoring this section of the video. I've been using Epidemic Sound for almost probably been 2 years, but they just came out with this really cute, it's cute too, but this really cool thing called Sound Match, where essentially you're dragging in a clip of your choosing, and it's powered by AI, and what it does is it analyzes the video frames and it matches songs to that video, which I think is pretty crazy. I chose a clip of these little mountains, and the songs that they chose were honestly really good. If you want to give it a go, link down below will give you a 30-day free trial. Alright, enjoy the rest of the video where you see me try to figure out my life with these cases and the rest of my June. Enjoy! Why you have so much? Huh? How about, can you order me? Can you order mine too? One guy, one too? No. Mochi. 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 Okay, I need you to care. Let me show you how to mold your chew, okay? I need you to care. Maybe the chica. Hello. Oh my god, you. Try to like me. I'm hot.
So I am confident going into this day, knowing how I feel, knowing what I deserve, and knowing where I want our relationship.
Right this morning, look at this beautiful. Well, I'll see where it goes.
Yeah, why is it like the one we get from? So start labeling your feedback. Mine is already
Remember that time I finished a 1,000-piece puzzle? No! I put the fabric softener in the wrong spot. I can't believe I forgot how to do laundry. I freaking love this mug. All-time favorite sweetener method for coffee: 1% milk, a splash of heavy whipping cream, simple syrup, and tiny vanilla syrup. Let me just show you. Like tiny. This one I'll do more because it's like a little diluted. And my matcha bar whisk. The best whisk ever. Multitasking at its finest. Oh my god, I forgot I think I'm screen recording. Ooh, so frothy. The really nice thing is it's rechargeable and it doesn't take batteries. Please. And every day I just have 2 shots of espresso because it's the perfect amount. Oh my god, I made it stuck. What do I do? Why can't it just fit? Okay, I guess I'll do work too. What? I'm embarrassed by this fridge. Really? I just got a bucket hat. I feel like I kind of look like a 5-year-old boy when I wear bucket hats, but I want one, so it's okay. Please get these off my fingers. That's surprising. A lot more lattes. Please buy them. And I got these guys. My apartment has this patch of grass which I used to take the cases last time, so I'm walking back to that same patch of grass because my lighting in my room is horrible and I have nowhere else to go. So here we go.
Buy me a sake while you.
Banana breath. You just need a banana. What kind? I think you're balding your eye doing that, Barley. One of his eyes looks super bald. He's straight. And I was like, oh, that did happen. And I was like, oh wait, that was literally have to be like, this happened.
Okay, I have one. You never need to bend over. I love that. That I could be the Jewish stereotype that I.
Hello. 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 Something stuck in my throat. Blah, 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 blah. I've been using blah, 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 blah. I've been using okay. Why is English like this?